In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lumen5 templates. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find templates, how to explore them, and how to match them to the scene you're working on, so your video looks polished and consistent. First, log into Lumen5. Make sure you're signed into the right workspace and that your internet connection is stable so the editor loads smoothly. If you've set up brand fonts or colors in your account, logging in ensures those preferences are available while you work, which makes picking a suitable template faster and more consistent. Next, open your video in the editor. From your dashboard, choose the project you want to continue working on so you land directly in the editing interface. Give the editor a moment to load all scenes and media. Once everything is visible, take a quick glance through your video so you know which parts might benefit most from a template refresh, like text-heavy scenes or sections where you want a stronger visual impact. Now select the scene you want to edit. In Lumen5, each scene functions like a slide in a presentation. Click the specific scene in your timeline or storyboard so it's highlighted. Focusing on a single scene helps you refine the look and feel of that moment without affecting the rest of your project. Consider the message of the scene. Is it a headline, a quote, a list, or a call to action? That context will guide your template choice. On the right side, select Swap Design. This opens the design options for your chosen scene. Think of Swap Design as your shortcut to a fresh layout. Fonts, text placement, and stylistic elements are all curated for you. It's a quick way to update the visual structure without manually adjusting every detail. Then look for the template you want. Browse the available designs and pay attention to how each template handles hierarchy, spacing, and animation. If your scene has a longer sentence, look for templates with generous text areas and clear contrast. If it's a short, punchy line, a bold, minimal layout might be best. Consider how the colors and typography align with your overall video. If you're creating content for mobile viewers, favor designs with larger type and clean backgrounds for readability. Use the preview to get a feel for pacing and legibility, and compare a few options before settling on one that complements your message. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly refresh a scene's look using Lumen5 templates and keep your video coherent, engaging, and on brand.